We had called a consultative meeting of the NCA leadership from across the country, and we were at our head office. We wanted then to start our meeting to look at the Constitutional Amendment number 3 and to confirm our stance that we are opposed to it, and that we will do everything to stop it. So when we were waiting for most of our people to come, and then that's why some people come anymore.
Mukuru webato rezvematongerwo enyika reNational Constitutional Assembly NCA Professor Lovemore Madhuku vopotsa kufenda vari mubishi kutsanangura zvaitika apo varohwa zvakaipisisa. Asi mibvunzo inoti, ko avarova ndiani uye varoverwei? Kusangana kwatikuita zvakare pachannel ino, channel yeZimwitness TV, pandinodzoka nemaupdates akasiyana-siyana, uye ndinoti kana kari kekutanga kusvika pano, ndinokumbirawo kuti ungobaya button rekusubscribe, then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe neevery update yandinodzoka nayo pano nguva nenguva. VaLovemore Madhuku vanoti vanga vaine musangano wavanga vachida kuita nemakurukota ebato ravo pamuzinda webato, ndipo pasvika varume vanga vakavhara kumeso ndokutanga kuvarova vachiti ukuda kunetsa nekukonzeresa maproblems. Vaenderera mberi vachiti zvose izvi zvaitika mapurisa aripo, asi hapana zvavakwanisa kuita kana kurandutsira kurohwa kwavo. Asiwo mapurisa eZimbabwe Republic Police azoburitsa statement achitaura kuti anzwa nezveincident iyi, asi havana chavari kuziva pamusoro penyaya iyi. Pari zvino ndichakusiya muchiona video raProfessor Lovemore Madhuku vachiexplaina, asi kana mapedza kuona video iri, let's meet in the comment section muchitiudzawo zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi.
We had called a consultative meeting of the NCA leadership from across the country, and we were at our head office. We wanted then to start our meeting to look at the Constitutional Amendment number 3 and to confirm our stance that we are opposed to it, and that we will do everything to stop it. So when we were waiting for most of our people to come, and then that's why some people come anymore.
Chair. Let the doctor. Let the doctor. Let the doctor. Sorry, there's a chair.
Correct. Nandasikia about it. Then my police the police, it was there for most of the time, but then just about 5 or so guys just came in with the balaclavas and so on, and then ordered everyone to leave. And then they came straight for me and started beating me up, shouting, "You want to create problems for us," and so forth. And then that's what they did. They were beating me all over. We don't know them.
Who came with these people?
The police were with them.
Are you very certain that this were the police?
They were. I mean, there were 2 police vehicles there, but the police said nothing. They just say seated there.
How are you feeling now?
I just have pain all over, but I'm okay.
What was used to assault you?
It was baton sticks.
Guns.
And then yeah, that's right.
What were they saying?
They were saying "Ruda utinetsa." That's what they kept coming.
They couldn't identify themselves.
No, yeah, they were not going to do that.
And what happened to that other gentleman?
What?
That other gentleman?
Oh, they were thoroughly beaten. They took my phone, they destroyed my glasses, as you can see, and everything. Yeah.
Anyone else who saw what happened?
They were actually with the instructions, I must be possible. I moved out in necessary.